Hi, in front of me is Poco M3 and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store and type Repost for Instagram. Then download this app from this developer. Now you can go into your Instagram and pick a photo that you want to download. For example, that one. Click at the three dots, choose Share To and tap on Repost app. Then go back to the Play Store and open it. Pick one of the options and tap on the photo that you want to download. Click on the square icon to remove the label and tap the middle button. Now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my photo was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!